Hi guys! Okay, my name is Natasha Adila binti Muhammad Asri and today I would like to present about the animal evolution which is Animalia and the invertebrate. So let's get started. The first one is sponge under phylum Porifera. Porifera means to have pores. Sponge are suspicion feeders adapted for trapping and eating whatever food and water bring to them. Sponges are animals with no tissues, no organs, and no symmetry. Reproduction by asexual or sexual method. Most live in tropical seas. There are three classes of sponge. The first one is class Calcarea. Class Calcarea secrete a chalky skeleton composed of small CeCO3 spike or spicle. They are believed to evolve from cyanoflagellate. The second one is class Hexactinella. The glass sponge with skeleton made of 6 straight spicles containing silica. Body plants are asymmetrical but vary in shape from flat and grassy growth to ball, cups, veins or vases. And the third one is class Demospongia, characterized by variable skeleton made of a fibrous protein material known as silica or spongin or combination of both. Okay, the second one is cnidarians under phylum Cnidaria. The word cnidaria is based on their specialized cell called cnidosis which contain cnid organelles. Cnidarians have two tissue layers, epidermis and gasterdermis, with a jelly-like matrix maxilla in between. They have readily symmetrical bodies and a mouth surrounded by tentacles. Some of cnidarians may have both shape, polyp and medusa in one life cycle, for example, jellyfish. So there are three main classes of cnidarians. The first one is hydrozoa. As you know, the example for hydrozoa is Hydra and Obelia. Hydra are very tiny. When cut into pieces, they are able to regenerate and all the missing part and become a whole animal. The second one is Scyphozoan. Class Scyphozoan medusa is generally larger than Hydrozoan medusa. It has thick, viscous maxilla that give their firmness to the body. The polyp stage is small and inconspicuous or may be absent. The third one is class Anthozoa. For example, sea anemones, coral, and sea fans. These animals have either individual or colonial polyp but no free-swimming medusa stage. The polyp produce egg and sperm and the fertilized egg develop into small selected planula. The third one is comb jellies under phylum Snygnophoras. Snygnophoras or comb jellies are all marine. They are fragile, luminescent animals and weirdly symmetrical. They don't have stinging nematocysts but have tentacles that equate with adhesive glue cells that trap prey. The fourth one is flatworms under phylum Platyhelminthes. Their habitats are mainly marine, freshwater and damp terrestrial lands. The word platy means flatworm and some may be microscopic in size. Bilaterally symmetrical invertebrate with organs but no body cavity. There are four classes of flatworms. The first one is Pulvularia. They are moved by means of cilia on their ventral surface and gliding on mucus they secrete. For example, Rugesia sp, commonly known as planarians. The second one is Trematoda and Monogemia. This group is also known as blood fluke. For example is Cystoseoma sp. The person who is infected with this parasite is suffering a disease named schistosomiasis with symptoms are anemia, pain, and dysentery. Okay, the last one is Cystoda. Includes all parasitic tapeworms such as Tania cygnata and Tania solium. Life cycle also alternating between sexual and asexual. Needs intermediate and final host. So next is Next is ribbon worms under phylum Nemertea. Members of Nemertians are commonly called proboscis worms or ribbon worms. They live mainly in marine and inhabit freshwater and damp soil. The body is long and narrow, either cylindrical or flattened and sometimes colorful. After that is molluscan under phylum Mollusca. Mollusks came from Latin word means soft-bodied animals, but some of them are protected by a shell made from CaSO3. CaSO3 is calcium carbonate. For example, snail, slug, oyster, clams, octopus, and squid. There are four major classes in phylum Mollusca. The first one is Folliiflacopora. This group contains all members of chitons. The body shape is oval, with the shell divided into 8 dorsal plates. Okay. The second one is glass gastropoda. The members of gastropods are snail, and slug, as you can see on the slide. It has development process known as torsion. During the development of embryo, its visceral mass rotates up to 118 degrees. Okay. After that is class Bivalvia. The members of bivalve include clams, mussel, scallops, and oyster. The most striking feature is their shell divided into two halves. Bivalves have no distinct head and the regular organ is lost. The last one is glass cephalopoda. The numbers of cephalopods include squid, octopus, cuttlefishes, and nautiluses. The word cephalopods means head food. They are marine active predator. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.